Now I'm going to apply this wax in this truck. Applying the wax. Make sure don't leave any place without wax. Make clearly everywhere, every corner, like this, to make more shining your car. I will keep like 30 minutes after make wax. Then we're gonna be clean, wipe it this body all by the towel, the clean towel. So this is now waxy. We will see after finish wax. Guys, this is big Shelby car, big Shelby truck. This is my favorite truck. I'm making wax to remove all rough body, all dirty from the car truck. There is in body many dust and dirty. We will remove it all by wax. Now we're applying full this wax in the body, so it will be remove all dirty from the truck body. It is good quality wax. This wax we are using for this car, really cool and making shiny. Guys, now I have finished it all applied in the body wax, so I will leave around 30 minutes 35 minutes, then I will wipe it by towel all the body, so it will be shining more. Look after this one remove shining. I hope will be more shining. If you have making your car or truck wax, you have to wash before wheel, then you have to make clay all full body, then you have to put full body wax, then you can make machine also, you can clean it by hand also. Hand clean is not too much cleaning, but if you making machine, wax machine, that will be more shining and your car will be brilliant. This is really beautiful car truck. I love it. This is my favorite truck. So we'll see what's next. This is the truck which is I put just now wax, the Shelby truck. It's big car, big truck, huge truck, amazing truck, 755 horsepower. Oh my god. Guys, finally I wait around 35 minutes. Now I'm going to clean all body by fiber towel. So you have to clean well, remove all the wax from the body. Make sure your towel make properly. It's too big, you know. But this is very nice wax, removing very easily, not too hard. Some wax it's really hard. It's not possible to remove quickly. Should we have use machine? This product really nice. Look at the sign now, before and after. Guys, brilliant shining, brilliant shining. I love this shining. If have making full body polish, maybe more become shining, but we didn't make full body shining, just only wax. Customer said only make wax on this job body, so you can remove easily, see, in the towel. Nice ones. Enjoy the video, please.